Hi, I'm Alani from Akash, and in this video, I will be introducing the Akash Testnet 3 and features. As you know, the Akash Testnet is an instance of the blockchain powered by the same or a newer version of the underlying software. This is to be used for testing and experimentation without risk to real funds or the main chain. Testnet tokens are separate, and they are distinct from the original mainnet coins. They can be obtained freely from the Akash faucet. Furthermore, testnets can be reset at any time. So, let's start with persistent storage. Persistent storage on Akash allows data to remain available through the lifetime of its lease. A deployment can drop, reinitialize, and it can move within a provider while retaining access to the data stored. The provider allocates a volume on the host that is mounted within the deployment. Now, this functionality closely mimics storage capabilities in public cloud environments. The ability for data to remain available through the life of its lease is a huge leap forward for many deployment use cases. Future releases will explore the ability to persist data across leases, which adds even further capability. Now we're going to talk about fractional AKT. You can call that UAKT. Fractional AKT is the removal of the implicit minimum cost of deployment. In the past, a deployment could not be cheaper than one fractional AKT per block. This means extremely light workloads like a crypto wallet or perhaps a personal blog could end up being more expensive than necessary. The limitation also would have more severe consequences as token price increases. A lightweight deployment could increase from $1 to $5 per month if the token price were to double or triple. With fractional AKT, prices will remain consistent and resource consumption can be accurate to the cost. Now let's talk about AuthZ. AuthZ allows users to authorize their wallet to spend a set number of tokens by another source wallet on deployments. The authorized spend is restricted to Akash deployment activities, and the recipient of the tokens will not have access to those tokens for other transactions. This allows large teams to work on deployments together without using large shared wallets. This reduces security concerns. Additionally, this allows new community members to spin up deployments without access to a faucet. Now let's talk about inflationary curve. Today, the inflation curve is handled manually by proposal voting when it's deemed necessary. On occasion, this has led to AKT scaling incorrectly, with inflation going out of ideal ranges. Now, not only is this bad for trust in the token, but it actually hurts token stability. The solution? The automatic curve mechanism will autocorrect when the inflation differs from the plan. This removes the need for human intervention and further stabilizes and secures the future of the token and the economics surrounding it. Now back to Testnet 3. To participate in Testnet 3, there's a simple workflow. You fill out an interest form and you receive a confirmation email with your login credentials. With those credentials, you will complete the KYC process. The KYC app will generate a unique code and instructions to follow through. Now, there is a $200,000 prize pool for Testnet 3. And in subsequent videos, I will explain each challenge for Testnet 3. Stay tuned.